Follow the step on how to make a waveline background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started by creating a new document. You can follow this artboard size. Press M to make a rectangle. Fill color. Press Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+2 to lock object. Activate the rectangular grid tool. Double-click to open options. You can follow the settings. Draw the grid. Go to Gradient. Click Stroke. And click the color. Change the point color. You can follow this color. Click and go to Object. Envelope Distort and make with Mesh. Set row and columns with 1. Press A. Click this corner and move the handle. Do the same way on other corner. Select the grid, click Free Transform, and click Perspective Distort. Move this corner. Click the Mesh tool and add mesh point. Move randomly the point. Select, go to Object and expand. Go to View and activate Trim View. Press Ctrl+F to paste in front. Go to Gradient. Click the stroke. Press Slash to remove. Click Fill and click the gradient color. You can follow this setting. Press G to edit. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.